morning. In the kitchen, y'all. Good morning.
Good
Look at
morning.
that. How y'all doing out there? Look at us. You know we're gonna get it in. Whether we're in the
Yes,
salon, whether we're in the clinic, but we're
in the
gonna give
car.
y'all all this information. Loving the hair, sis. Ooh, love it.
Yes, my hair was getting too dark. Then I was like, it's time for color.
I love it. What's going
Thank you.
on, people? You're welcome. I know
Well,
y'all
I
like, okay,
am
where y'all at? Where
okay.
y'all at? Let me set up a tripod. Okay.
I'm I'm running errands, delivering packages. I got to go to the post office. People ordering their products. I think this
Amazing.
customer ordered finishing products. I think she ordered like edge control and anti-itch growth oil, and
Yes,
somebody else ordered something.
one of my clients,
Yeah,
she
and
needs
I
some edge control and oil, and so she ordered some.
well, this person is going to. Oh yeah, it's going to Fort Lauderdale.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yeah, so it's one of your clients. Yeah.
Yeah, my clients are very supportive. Your client and my clients, we definitely, they know we're giving them products that's going to help support their healthy hair. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So I thought we could talk about I know we haven't been on. Jen has been working early. Um
Yeah.
so we decided to switch our lives to Mondays. No matter what we're doing, we'll switch
We're
our
gonna make it
lives to
happen.
Monday.
Yes.
We're gonna make it happen. I thought we'll talk about fall, um how to take care of your hair in the fall, treatments, products that will support the shedding. Um, what else? That's about it. We could talk about that.
We're in
So
the fall, right? So we
yes,
want to make sure you guys have your foundational products to support shedding, dry and itchy scalp, dry hair. Those are some of the major things that we normally are suffering. I mean, not us in Florida because we don't really have South
yes,
Florida does not have seasons changing like Tallahassee or North Florida. So
yes,
let's be clear, we are South Florida. We're more sunny than cold. And then when we are cold, it's not for a long time.
yes,
You throw on a
yes.
jacket and you
It's
got to
not
take the jacket off
by
because it's hot.
12, 1 o'clock.
Exactly. So we have some great products. I'm sure you guys know and hear us talking about it, but we want to be more intentional to give you more information on the what and the why. So we have shampoos, we have conditioners, we have finishing products. But H2 Grow itself, the actual shampoos and conditioners and our stimulants are a foundational product. What does that mean, Pat? What does the foundational product mean to your other products that you have that is going to promote your styling and things of that nature? So our products are a foundational based product that's going to alleviate the dry and itchy scalp, going to reduce shedding and breakage.
Yes,
It's considered a foundational, your first step before you go in with your other products to start building up the moisture and styling, because we have not come up with those types of products yet.
yes.
We will have them, but in the meanwhile, H2 Grow is a strengthening foundational product to give you support so that the hair is not falling out and breaking. And also, it stimulates hair growth. So, those that
Yes.
need hair growth and that are losing their hair and your follicles are still alive, our products can help stimulate and rejuvenate healthy hair growth. And I'll let you add on to everything I
Okay.
said.
And then also, guys, you want to maintain your treatment. Either
Yes.
it's sitting under the dryer, a steamer, a hot towel, because I've learned that you can make the towel, you can put your towel in the hot water as hot as you can stand it, let it cool off a little bit, wrap it around your hair with your conditioner or with our H2 Grow conditioner,
Right.
and put a plastic cap on it and walk around the house for about 10, 15 minutes. and then loosen it up and rinse your hair out in cool water. Did not say cold. I said cool, because what the cool water do, it seals the hair follicles, okay?
Exactly.
So hot and warm water opens up the follicles. Cool water seals the hair follicles. So that's what you
Very good.
want to.
And
And
then we
mhm,
also have our leave-in
leave-in.
conditioner. So
Mhm.
can I add a little tip with our leave-in conditioner?
Yeah.
Leave-in conditioner is not something to overly generously use because it's a
Yes.
strengthening product. It strengthens and it creates, it's going to also give manageability, but I wanted to just piggyback off of some of my clients that were using it incorrectly. They used too much and then they said, "Oh, it was too hard," or I couldn't manage the hair." No, it's considered a foundational product. So 1 to 2 pumps spray like mist, 1, 2, and as
Mhm.
far as 4 to 5 inches away from the head. And then you follow in with your moisturizing leave-in product to start building the moisture up. So I wanted to
Okay.
add that to our process because people are spraying, 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 and then they're finding that the hair is not hydrated or it's feeling hard. And I'm like, that's because you're overusing the product.
Okay, that's a good tip, because remember, my clients, they come to me for their shampoos, and my clients have relaxed hair. So I shampoo their hair and use the leave-in conditioner on my clients, so they don't get a chance to use the leave-in conditioner. So I'm glad you mentioned that, because I know how to leave use products. I guess I've
Correct.
never had anybody to
Give you
experience
that.
that.
Exactly.
So,
And I do a lot of
um,
natural hair, and I have a lot of clients that do their hair at home. And so
mhm,
oh, this is going to make my hair healthier. So they just spraying,
yeah,
spraying, spraying. And that's not how you use any leave-in, actually.
yeah,
You should not be overusing leave-in products. So, yeah,
yes. Products, period, because a little goes a long way. Sometimes we think if we use a whole bunch of conditioner that it's gonna help. It doesn't. It what
no,
is left over is just a waste. It's your hair is gonna take in what it needs, and then you don't use all this shampoo, all this conditioner in your hair,
right.
and what your hair takes in, the rest of it is just waste. So you want to
Exactly.
make sure that you use the right amount of shampoo and conditioner, because it can last longer if you didn't overuse. So a
True.
little goes a long
Little goes
ways.
a long
Your
way.
first shampoo, you could use a first lather shampoo, or you could use our rejuvenation shampoo,
Yes.
and you use a little, like a quarter size or maybe a little bit more for those who got a lot of
Right.
hair, and shampoo their hair and get all that dirt and oil
And the
and
buildup.
itchy and all that,
All the
all
buildup.
that build up, the dryness off the hair.
Right.
So yeah. And then you go in with your conditioner, shampoo, then your conditioning, your
Exactly.
conditioner.
Your
Yes.
moisturizing
And then
conditioner.
your moisturizer, conditioner, and then your leave-in. So yes, there are steps. You don't want to overuse products, because like I said, it's a waste. Your hair is gonna only take what it needs, and then the rest of it you could have saved that for another shampoo.
Absolutely.
So yeah.
And
Yep.
we still have our raffle going on. We did not forget it.
Yes.
It's not a hoax. We're not
No, it's not a
hoaxing.
hoax.
We are just
Um,
wanting to make sure we give people the opportunity to join this wonderful um,
yes.
awareness that we're trying to build to support cancer awareness. Half of the proceeds goes to cancer awareness. And if you have not ever tried our product, or you're looking for the full system and needing a laser cap, which is very, very expensive to even invest in if that's not something you're even knowledgeable about, but it's
Yes.
a very great tool that we use that helps promote stimulation, blood flow, and growth for the hair. So all of these things are here to support this individual that is hopefully the one that's going to get picked out of the basket. They're going to have a full-fledged of H2 Grow products. We're going to also require them to do a quick little video or something
Yes.
to say thank you so
Mhm.
much for us giving you this great products and things of that nature that is over $2,000 worth of value. So please, please, please,
Mhm.
www.h2growinc.com. You can purchase your raffle. We're going to pull names out of the basket. We're going to write them out, and then we're going to put them in the basket, and then we're going to announce the winner. And
Okay.
there's lots of lovely things in there. So I'll let Patricia add anything else to that.
And also, don't forget to follow our YouTube channel. Please follow, subscribe, and share.
Yes.
And we're also on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Yes.
And Walmart
Oh,
Marketplace.
Walmart Marketplace. And we still waiting on Amazon to. We did get an appointment, so
Look at
but
that.
it's for this month. So I
It's a
think,
process, but we're going to get there.
yeah,
It's coming.
because they had no October appointments.
Okay.
So we have an appointment. I think it's tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. It's either tomorrow or Wednesday. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get everything done.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. So
Hmm.
I think that's about it. We have a lot. We have holidays coming up, so look forward to
Yes.
Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. Whoever's waiting for that time of the year, H2Grow will be having some
Yes.
special offers running around that time. So please, 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 um, if you have not signed up for our newsletter, sign up for our newsletters. Those will also give you alerts of what's going on, what's happening,
Yes.
and yeah, it'll keep you in the loop. Definitely keep you in the
Hmm.
loop.
And those who lives in South Florida and visit the farmers market, I will have H2 Grow products with me.
Yes.
Um, so you get a chance to look at it, smell it, feel it. I do have testers,
Okay.
so people can feel like the edge control, the shine, the silk, and the anti-itch growth oil. They can feel the
Right.
texture because I do have little testers out.
Nice.
Um,
Awesome.
so I am at the farmers market in Hollywood, the yellow and green
Market.
farmers market,
Market.
booth 216.
Awesome.
Mhm. So please come out. Please, please, please come out. Oh, and also you get a chance to smell H2 Grow candles, and also my amazing Note to Self candles
Yes.
as well.
Absolutely. Oh, and by the way, we'll have a promotion for my birthday. I already got my birthday gift packed. It is Scorpio season, y'all. And when I tell you it smells amazing. So thank you so much. Please
You're
support this
welcome.
business partner. And my
But
birthday is Sunday.
yes.
So who knows? We might put
Okay.
something up to celebrate my birthday and giving some a discount off of, I don't know, finishing products maybe. We'll
Listen,
see.
I I think I only have 6 Scorpio candles left. They ran out so fast. For those
See?
Scorpios and those people who love their zodiac sign, I have 6 more. I mean, I have been
Nice.
selling as soon as I put them out. People was like, "Oh, I'm a Scorpio. Let me get this candle. It smells so
Nice.
good."
I love it.
So I only have 6 more. I'm not gonna make any more because I made enough. I have 6 more
Look at that.
Scorpio candles.
I love it.
6.
Yes.
So get your order in
Get your
or
order
come out to
in.
the farmers market and
Exactly.
yes. So
Well,
yeah.
great. I just wanted to share that. Yes, yes, yes. And then I'll be out of town so I can enjoy my time to myself and decompress.
Okay.
But of course, I'm bringing Kendall, so this will be her first international experience.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm
That's
excited.
awesome. That's
Yeah,
awesome. So
absolutely.
awesome.
So thank you. So until next time, guys, if there's anything else you wanted to talk about, pretty much, I think I've
Not
hit
at
it
the
on
moment, cause
everything.
yeah. So be patient.
Stay consistent. And
We
don't
love
forget,
you guys.
we love you guys. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Happy Monday.